Is crime in the country rising or not?
Well, if you look at the SWS raw data, I actually try to compare the number of families who said that they were victims of common crimes. Yung sinabi mo kanina, yung robbery,
Mm-hmm.
theft, carnapping of your vehicles. And I compared the two administrations, the past administration, President Duterte, and this current administration.